Jill Jung Juk Tamil movie summary. In the 2020 post-apocalyptic Chennai, amidst the huge demand for petrol and money, Dev Nigam, an erstwhile powerful gangster, gets a chance to smuggle cocaine to defeat his nemesis, Rolex Rotha. Dev Nigam hires three guys, Nanjil Sivaji, Jill, Jambalingam, Jung, and Jaguar Jagan, Juk, to safely deliver the cocaine to a Chinese gang in Hyderabad. With the help of a scientist Marundu, Dev Nigam sells the drugs by coating them in ambassador car painted pink so that it would not be detected by the police. Along the way, Jill, Jung and Juk encounter Narsinghan, who has an almost identical car. Narsinghan eventually befriends the trio and takes them into a pub. After a drink at night, the trio escapes the pub without his knowledge but later realize that they have taken Narsinghan's car in their drunken state. It was revealed that Narsinghan was assigned by Dev Nigam's assistant Pai and Marundu to steal the car and sell it to a gangster named Attack Albert. Confused, the trio went to a shooting spot where they see a car being used in an action sequence, left damaged after the shoot. It was later revealed that the car was considered to be the ambassador car that was Dev Nigam assigned to deliver. Shocked and dismayed, the trio confronts Narsinghan about his plans and takes them with his car so that they can paint the car in pink and coat the stuff, but as they do not have cocaine, they decide to approach Attack Albert. Albert kidnaps the trio and eventually manages to escape the location with the stuff Albert has. Rotha reveals Dev Nigam's plans and decides to have a meeting with Dev Nigam. The trio is caught by Rotha's men and kept under their custody. During their business dealing, Dev Nigam reveals that the Rolex watch he gave to Rotha was fake, leaving Rotha deceived. A gang war takes place between Dev Nigam and Rotha's men until Albert arrives and kills the two gangsters so that he could be a powerful drug lord. Albert kidnaps Jill, Jung and Juk to murder them, taking them to a faraway place. They see Juk's father, a bus driver, who rescues the trio. Both of them fight hard with Albert's men. However, Albert arrives with a gyrojet to kill the men, but it was stopped by a marble and eventually backfired, leading Albert to collapse. Jill, Jung, and Juk escape the place and lead a happy life. The Chinese gang, who had been waiting for the delivery, feels dejected that Jill didn't arrive, and they cancel the deal midway, leaving empty-handed.